I'm gonna grab the stove and oven over here on the side of the road. And move some stuff here around first. Hey, how you doing?
You don't have any room. I was going to say, you want to take a mirror?
A mirror?
A big mirror.
Yeah, is that metal on it?
No.
Yeah, I only do metal.
Just metal.
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Okay. How much you get a pound?
It's like 8 cents right now.
8?
8, yeah. It fluctuates from like 7 to 12.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Save it up for the big day.
Yeah, nah, I take it every day.
You want this?
Sure. Yeah, I'll take it. Sure. Appreciate it, guy. Strip all this aluminum down when I get home.
Thanks.
No problem, I appreciate it, man. It's awesome. About 58 cents a pound. Yeah, this is all sheet aluminum, 40 cents a pound. Pull up here a little bit so the lady can get out. There's some yellow brass on here. Little Razor electric bikes, man, they gotta be worth some money, even better than scrap. See if I can sell some of these for parts, or not. Looks like stainless there. Light. Yeah. day my dad had a Homelite. Yeah, I think these are like soda kegs. They're not very heavy. Stainless. Not sure what this is. Got a motor on it though. Yeah, I'm gonna reposition this load. There's those little razor bikes. I'll take a look at them, but we gotta get the air out and reorganize here. You'll notice that those kegs are gone. I ended up selling them. Sat there in the parking lot. Guy pulls up. He said, "I'll buy those for 25 bucks." And they might have been worth more than that, but at the scrapyard, $5. So of course I took his 25. That's like 5 loaves of bread. Tomorrow we'll get our 2 fish.